In a previous lesson, we reviewed automated nurturing tools, search alerts, market reports, and seller reports. Now let's review smart campaigns and utilize this automation within the platform. Just like the other auto communication, smart campaigns are designed to help nurture contacts and start conversations for you. Using these drip messages will greatly impact your conversion rate to ensure no leads are slipping through the cracks. We aim to introduce you to these messages and share some of our recommended best practices for leveraging them as a new user. If you want to learn more about smart campaigns, check out the resources located below this video. To access these campaigns, click on Marketing and then click Manage Campaigns within the Smart Campaigns tile. At the top of the page, you'll see 3 available selections. My Campaigns, which will be where all of your own campaigns are stored when they're created from scratch or a copy's been made that you're editing from the system campaigns. Our library contains a list of smart campaigns thoroughly created and tested by us and are our best take on effective campaigns for a given contact type. The Template selection holds all of the pre-made messages used in the default campaigns. By default, new users will have smart campaigns that will have their status automatically toggled on. 3 of these messages are designed for active leads, 1 for each deal type. Another 3 are designed for anyone in the contract status, and 1 is for each deal type again. Those 6 campaigns consist of task actions, meaning you'll receive a reminder at a certain time to check in with a contact who has this campaign running. Remember that nothing in these messages will be sent unless you edit the campaign to include specific messages. The other 3 smart campaigns turned on consist of 2 new lead campaigns, 1 for buyers and the other for sellers, and a campaign when you use the Open House app. All 3 of those campaigns include emails and texts that'll be sent to new leads, so we definitely encourage you to review those templates. The best way to get started is to open an existing campaign to see what it consists of. You'll see the schedule for each action and the type of action that's used. You can click View next to an action to see more details, including a preview of what will be sent to the client. If the option to edit any default campaigns is available, we don't recommend spending any time updating or redoing anything here. Our team has carefully crafted a handful of these campaigns and their messaging to initiate conversations and identify warm leads in your pipeline. If you want to change a campaign, copy an existing campaign out of the library to modify or personalize it to your particular needs. To do this, click Clone Campaign within any campaign. A pop-up window will appear with options pre-filled in. Edit steps 1 and 2 if desired, and then click Next to advance to step 3. On the campaign details page, update the name to something that you'll be able to identify quickly later in the search engine. Update the description and other settings if you'd like, and then click Next to review this new campaign. When you're ready, click Finish to display your newly created campaign. Don't forget to toggle the active status on if you haven't already done so. If there are any campaigns that you'd like to assign manually to a record, navigate to Contacts and click on the name of the desired contact. On the right-hand side of the profile, you'll see an active campaign section that'll display other campaigns assigned if applicable. Click the Add link and select an available campaign from the drop-down list that appears. If you don't see the name of the campaign that you want to assign, you'll need to activate it first. If you do add more than one campaign to a contact, just be careful not to inundate them with multiple messages at the same time. Utilize these professionally crafted campaigns to effortlessly automate lead nurturing and optimize workflow efficiency with task reminders and scheduled call actions. Let your platform handle the bulk of your manual follow-ups, allowing you to manage all of your leads for many years to come. Thanks everyone, and we can't wait to see you in the next lesson.